Welcome to my channel. Hi, I am Arvind Maiti, research scholar from Vidyasagar University, West Bengal, India. Please subscribe our channel to learn continue. Our today learning topic is image visualization in Google Earth Engine. So, in this case, at first you need to create a location where you want to visualize your plot. Now I just put this tool mark at point and mark here, and there is will get a latitude and longitude. Okay, fine. Then I define a start point, start time and end time, where my start time is 2018 January and end time is June. So 6 month data I want to call, and then you need to select a particular sensor. So in this case I would like to visualize Sentinel-2 optical sensor data. Now you need to search here Sentinel-2 data, you will get Sentinel data, and then copy the Sentinel path and just put here, paste here. Before the paste you need to assign the var function. Okay, so if you put this function, that means all planetary scale data are called in your platform and all available datasets will come to your search. So I want to add some parameters. So first of all I add date parameter, so and then I add a location parameter. So I want to just search for this location. Then I add a criteria where I want to filter those tiles which have less than 20% of cloud, and if I print this section, okay, we'll get all the available datasets in this time zone. So if you expand it, now this is the all available datasets 2018 January 5, 2018 January 10. So these all datasets are 5-day interval. We already know the Sentinel datasets frequency. Now I set a visualization parameter. So in this case I want to plot 3 band before B3 B2. Before means red, B3 means green, and B2 is blue. Okay, then set a minimum maximum value which is the reflectance value of the tiles. Then set a comma function which visualize the image. Then add a parameter where map center object. What are the function of this code? When you plot this when you run your code, then already automatically visualize your location. Okay, then already come your front by this code, and then I add map add layer. This is the visualization function map dot add layer. Then I just copy this image and put it, and then dot first. First means I want to just plot the first tiles of the time series images, and then close my first function and comma, and then create my, then add my visualize parameter, then comma, and last one I just indicate a name of this map add layer. So then run it. Okay, Okay, we will get this image. If I off this map centered object, so what happened? Now if we run this, so your location does not see your front. If you active this function, will get your result in your front. Okay, the result will be visualized in your front. This is the settings of image. If you stretch it, then it will come a clear. You can zoom it. Okay, if you add a false function, then what happened? Run. Okay, it will come this console but not plotted. You should click on this, activate it, and then will plot it. Okay, so today's learning is end. If you want to use this code, you will get this code link from my website from the description box. This is my website link, and you will get this available code from here.